morning. So it's soupy here in Woodstock, but we're out in it because we're committed to bringing you some great information. And this morning I have the opportunity to sit with Bobby Wesley from Bay Equity Mortgage. And we're always happy to hear from Bobby. He's going to share some good news with us. Good morning.
Good morning, Kim. How are you?
Good. Nice to see you again.
Likewise.
So you said you had some good news for us in the way of conventional mortgage loan limits versus FHA loan limits. So let's jump into the conventional part.
Perfect. So FHA and conventional loan limits have increased for 2020. And conventional loan limit is now $510,400. FHA loan limit is now $401,350.
Huge. Somebody likes to figure out the way that they can purchase with little down. Of course, if you've got a big nest egg stored up and you can use that nest egg, then great. But for those of you who don't, there's a couple of ways that you can come up with that deposit. So one of the great things you can tell us about is gift money.
Gift money is a huge asset for, especially my first-time home buyers. A lot of people that are relatively new to the job force, freshly out of college, their parents are able to help them out with the down payment, and we're able to use those as gift funds. So this way you can get your financial portfolio started with buying a house and gaining equity in it as opposed to renting an apartment somewhere. And a lot of the apartment complexes in the metro Atlanta area are charging as much, if not more, than what a lot of my clients are paying for in a mortgage.
Exactly.
If you are established in the workforce and you've got a retirement plan but don't have a lot of money in your savings account, we can talk about using your retirement funds and borrowing against those for your down payment as well. So this way we can get you out of the rental status and get you into being a homeowner.
Absolutely. As we are working this year to get folks off the sidelines that are currently renting, what we've done is we've kind of taken an average here in the area, Woodstock, Canton, Alpharetta, average $1,500 a month for rent. If you're someone right now that's paying in the area of $1,500 a month, that could equate to you purchasing a house in the range of $245,000 to $250,000, 3.5% down.
Yep.
Your mortgage breaks down to
Probably $235,000 to $240,000 range. At that point, with the 3.5% down.
I think we've shared some good information here today. What I'd like to do, Bobby and I along the way will get together and we'll be sharing some additional information, because certainly it's all about sharing the information with you so that folks feel a little bit more at ease about jumping into the process.
Mm-hmm.
Now, you know, there's so many resources that people have. It's almost like information overload. So we want to keep it simple. We want to keep it straightforward, and we want to finish it so that at the end of this thing, we want to call you family.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what we're striving to do in this process. Wouldn't you say that?
Absolutely.
Hey, we want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. We hope that you'll share the information that we've provided for you. And until next time, cheers.
Cheers.